Jen Cascell here. I am back with another design team project share and tutorial for Scrap Diva Designs. Here is the website and all of her info on the back. Make sure to use that hashtag Scrap Diva Designs for some amazing inspiration. And if you haven't signed up yet, you're going to want to check out her newsletter. It is chock full of design team projects, tutorials, all of the fun stuff using the dies that we know and love. And if I've inspired you in any way, please feel free to use my coupon code GEN10 for 10% off your purchase at the shop. I super appreciate everybody who uses my coupon code and affiliate links. I do get a small kickback, and it helps me continue to create free content for you. So let's get started. We are focusing on the Harp mini album die set that was part of the February release. Super, super cute, much larger version of the two Harp sets that had come out. We had two bag toppers and a memory decks come out. Super, super cute die. And I wanted to show you the versatility of this die set. So let's start off with my Valentine's Day version. And you might have seen this if you saw the February release video. I just absolutely adore them. I used the Love Struck paper collection from Scrap Diva Designs. So pretty. Love the colors in this. I've been pairing it with silver, but I think gold would look equally nice with it. But I just used this holographic that you know I love, some silver glitter paper, the gorgeous collection. Oh my gosh, those colors are just phenomenal. Some of the cute flowers from Scrap Diva are down here. The new amaryllis die. This is one of the rose dies. Actually, all of these are rose dies. I just put them together a little differently. You'll see that leaf that I love. And this is, the greenery is Scrap Diva as well. And then here's the back. So stinking cute. So I made this cute little pocket. And you'll see it here. I don't have anything in this one. So, I mean, it's pretty generously sized. This is 1.5 inches across. So you can fit plenty of stuff in here. I'm going to use this as a desk organizer. I was thinking about putting some of my tape roll in here, like foam tape. But we'll see, we'll see. For this one, I did one of those scallop bows that you see from me quite frequently. A whole bunch of flowers. This Made with Love. The Made with Love is from the 3D embellishment book die set. Also for this project, I will be using the 3D paper cake die set. Oldie but a goodie. I love checking out some of my newer dies and mixing them with the old dies. And this was one that I keep right in my back pocket. Just absolutely adorable. I made this. This is with Maggie Holmes Gingham collection that came out last year. It's just super pretty. I really wanted to try something non-Valentine. Just because it's a Valentine's die doesn't mean that you have to use it during that season alone. I mean, just so pretty. This is a really pretty spring project. So this treble clef, I actually cut this with my new We Create laser. It's a wood one. I love it. You know, I loved having the wood option with the laser cutter because I would have had to layer several different layers of paper in order to create a really sturdy embellishment because these lines are really thin. But it was really cool having the laser option available. And if you would like to see more We Create videos, please let me know because I've been having a lot of fun on Instagram since pairing with them. I've done some really cool projects. But so this is what we are going to be creating today. And if you are interested in the tutorial, stay tuned. Well, first, let's talk about the different components of the die set and how many layers I cut. We're going to start, here's your first piece. And I cut this several times, I think like 4 times, and I've already glued it together. Every time I ran through a die, I would just cut this again just to save myself on time. And then we have, this is the base. This is what you're going to see first. It's going to be this die right here. And I did layer this 3 times as well. And of course, you know, if you don't feel like cutting as much, don't even worry about it. But this does really give you a very sturdy box. So here is our next layer. Maybe this one right here. I've cut it 3 times. I put 2 of them together on this, and then I left the third one separate. Next up, we have our base pieces. So this I did in the pink cardstock. This is Flamingo by 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. This is their Encore line. I love this for die cutting. Absolutely love it. It's the perfect weight. It cuts beautifully. Can't say enough about it. And then of course I did layer it with this stitched component right here. I've already put them together. You're going to need to do that twice. So this is going to be aiming towards the front. This is going to be the back of the box. You want a sturdy base. To form your pockets, these are strips from the 3D paper cake die set. This is an oldie but a goodie. This was released, I think, maybe 2 years ago, but it's something that I keep in you know, my back pocket a lot because it's a very versatile die. So I cut 2 of these, and you could substitute this with the box making strips. I want to say, I think it was the suitcase box that came with similar strips to this, but what you're looking for are just something in the width that you want your pocket with these tabs along the side. So like I said, you could do the box making strips. Those are going to be a little wider than what I have here, but they would work just as well. Another one that you could also use is that newer strip set that came out at Christmas time. It was the box making set, and it was like that would work really, really well in this instance. So for my scrap pieces, I cut them down. You're going to need 2 of these. So your base is going to be 3 3/8. So this is your pink. All I did was line it up to my 3 3/8 point and cut it off. And then my pattern paper is going to be 3 1/8. So I have 2 of these to create my pocket. To form our pocket, I have my 2 cut down pieces. Remember, this is 3 3/8 of an inch tall. I have my 2 strips, and then I have my back piece here. So working with my pocket, I want this to be on my interior. So I am going to start with this. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to use the largest. And I have counted down 10 tabs. So this is my 10th tab. I have it kind of pulled back just so that I could keep track of where I'm at. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue, and I'm going to hook my tab into that little corner. I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to all of the tabs in this strip, and then push down. Just follow that curve. I like to use my bone folder for this. Now I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm counting 3 tabs over from that last one, or the 10th tab, and I'm just going to cut. I'm going to come over to my next tab, and this is the shorter of the tabs, and once again I'm going to count down to my 10th tab. So this here is my 10th tab. Add a little glue. And hook it into my corner. I've added a tiny bit of glue to all my tabs. And once again, just use that bone folder to really press that down along the edge. I'm going to use my glue again to grab these tabs. And I'll do it with these ones too. And I'm also going to hit this tab right here on the outside. Once again, let's just push those together and make sure everything is nice and lined up. It's looking good, looking circular. Okay, perfect. Now we can go ahead and I'm going to cover up these tabs with the second set right here. And line everything up. Now we're going to once again count down our 10 tabs. So 6, 9. This is my 10th right here, and I'm folding that over. And once again, count out your 10. This one right here is my 10th. Now everything can get pushed up a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Okay. And I'll come over with this right here. This is going to be facing outward, so I'm going to work with it like this. And I'm going to hook that 10th tab right at the corner. I'm kind of leaving it up a little bit so I'm not pressing fully down. And then I'm going to hook that other one too. Once you know those are secure, I'm going to go in and press down the tabs on the inside. And now we can do our final tabs on top, and I'm going to glue them all at the same time. Okay, bring it up. I've put glue on all of the interior of my tabs. Once again, flip. And push right along that edge. Perfect. Make sure all of your tabs are nice and tight. We've got our cute little pocket. See how easy that came together? Now all I have to do is add my front. And once again, I've added a lot more glue than I normally would, and I'm just going to line up the front of my pocket. Perfect. Look at how easy that came together. It's so cute too. Really, really cute. So let's decorate this. I did die cut. I know you've seen this bow from me. This is her scallop bow. It came with a different die set, but you see it all the time. And I was thinking about putting that right up here. I wanted to do this little music note. This I cut with my We Create. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, We Create sent me one of their laser cutters, and I have been having so much fun with it. So look at how cool that is. I mean, it cuts so simply. Like, I love my We Create. I've always been, a machine kind of girl. I love trying out new machines. I love new tech, and my We Create, like, I didn't realize how much I needed a laser until I actually had one. Like, it's the best. I love it. So make sure you're following me on Insta, and if you'd like to see some We Create tutorials here on YouTube, let me know, because I am so ready. I would love to do that kind of stuff. If you guys are interested in it, please let me know. And I also did a whole bunch of flowers. I just love the colors of gingham. It is just it's such a pretty collection. It's so soft. Like, these are some of the romantic flowers, I believe. They came with a shabby tag. sets. Love them. I did some stamens for these. I did some roses. This is from the flower pot die set. Love that die. These are the rose die. I did the Made with Love. This is from the box. I will figure it out and I will link it in the description box. And then I have a few leaves out here as well. I did this little banner. I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe about putting it on the reverse. I don't know. So I'm going to play and I'll be right back. Oh, so here's my finished piece. So cute. Here's a look at the reverse as well. So I ended up doing that bow right in the center there, and I did the Made with Love over here. I kind of wanted to play with the height a little bit to adjust how large the sentiment was, if that makes sense. I wanted to be able to kind of tuck things underneath. So the width is behind the Made and the Love, and I was able to kind of smoosh it a little more. I tucked one of those cute little flowers that I made, this gorgeous floral cluster. So I ended up doing a whitewash of that wood piece. I just used a little bit of this distress stain to do it. I didn't want it completely white, like I didn't want to paint it, but I wanted like a hint of the wood showing through. Because believe it or not, there's actually some really light wood in this collection. Um, the Made with Love, the sentiment is sitting on wood paper. So I kind of wanted to match it to about that color. And I think I did a pretty good job of it. Just some floral clusters here. Love it. Love the variety of flowers in this. And then on the back, we have that cute little mini banner. I did do some trim at the top. I did another little floral cluster here. I didn't do anything to the back because I'm actually going to use this. My craft room situation is changing very, very soon within the next couple of months. And I'm starting to look at more like storage containers and stuff like that when I move my craft room. So this is going to be one of the things that I use to keep some of those little pieces hanging out on my desk. So really, really cute, really fun die. I hope you like it. I hope you like this tutorial. Let's take a quick look at my original. So cute, totally different feel. I mean, same die, but I mean, really, guys, like, look at the versatility. These couldn't be more different. So I love that. Here's a look at the back again of this one. So good. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to head on over to Scrap Diva Designs and take a look at this Harp mini album, as well as all of the other amazing dies that came out this month. What a great collection of dies, just something for everybody. You can save using my coupon code GEN10 for 10% off your purchase at the shop. I super appreciate everyone who's using my coupon code and affiliate link. It really does help to keep creating free content for you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more crafty content, and I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye!